In Indian polity, we are going to discuss about Article 18 of the Indian Constitution. Okay, so total articles 12 to 35 under Part 3 of the Indian Constitution deals about the fundamental rights. Okay, so our first fundamental right is right to equality, and articles are 14 to 18. So this is the last article of the right to equality. Article 18 generally talks about abolition of titles because titles are against the principle of equality. Okay, and first we have to know the meaning of title. What is title? So title is something that hangs to one's name. So whether it is a prefix or suffix. So okay, so it is a something that hangs to one's name. And there are important four provisions to the article 18, four clauses. Okay, so first clause is article 18 1, first clause, and it prohibits the state from conferring or granting any title on anybody whether he is a citizen or foreigner except a military and academic distinction. Okay, so article 18 clause 1, it prohibits the state from granting any title. Okay, so whether he is a citizen or foreigner, whatever it may be, but the state has not granting any title to the person. But there is an exception to this article: military and academic distinction. Okay, so here military titles means major, captain, general. Okay, and academic means doctor, LLB, CA. So these are the academic distinction. So these military and academic distinctions are granted on the basis of their merit. Okay, but not on the basis of hereditary. Okay, and coming to the second clause, article 18 clause 2, it prohibits a citizen from accepting any title from any foreign state. Okay, being a citizen of India, we are not able to take any title from other state or foreign state. Okay, and article 18 clause 3, a foreigner holding any office of profit or trust under state cannot accept any title from foreign state without the consent of the president. Okay, so here we are talking about a foreigner. Okay, so a foreigner, it means who is not a citizen of India, he is a foreigner. So being a foreigner and he holds any office of profit under the Indian government, he cannot accept any title from foreign state without consent of the president. Okay, so here what is office of profit? Okay, so office of profit means a position in state or central or local government which brings financial gains or salary, etc. Okay, so this is the office of profit. So being a foreigner, he receiving some amount of money from Indian government on the basis of office of profit. He cannot receive or accept any title from foreign state without the consent of the president. So here president's permission is mandatory to take or receive any title from the foreign state. Okay, because he holds office of profit under Indian government, that's why he must take permission from the president. Okay, without consent of the president, he cannot receive any title from the foreign state. Okay, next, article 18 clause 4, no citizen or foreigner holding any office of profit or trust under state is to accept any present and present emoluments, office form under any foreign state without the consent of the president. So here citizen and foreigner both cannot receive or accept any emoluments, office form under any foreign state without the consent of the president. So here also president's permission is very important, whether he is a citizen or foreigner. Okay, so whether he is a citizen or foreigner who holds office of profit in under state, so he has no responsibility, he has not accept any emoluments, office form, presentation under any foreign state without the consent of the president. Here also president's permission is mandatory. Okay, So what are titles? So these titles are hereditary. Okay, Maharaja, Raja Bahadur, Rai Sahib, Diwan Bahadur. So these are the important hereditary titles during the colonial rule. Okay, so these are granted by the colonial states. So these titles are representing inequality between the people. Okay, so these important hereditary titles are banned by the Article 18, that is abolition of titles. Okay, because these are against the principle of equal status or equality. Okay, so in 1954 national awards are instituted. Okay, and in 1977 Janata Party discontinued these national awards. Okay, in 1980 again these are revived by the Indira Gandhi government. Okay, and in 1995 there is a case, that is Balaji Raghavan versus Union of India. Okay, so on the basis of this case, Supreme Court given some guidelines to the government. So Supreme Court held that the national awards were not meant to be used as titles. Okay, so these are on the basis of their merit. Okay, and a court observed that during British rule, so the power to grant titles for imperialistic purposes for corrupting public life. So colonial during the colonial rule, the British officers used these titles for their corrupting purpose. Okay, so it held that national awards were not meant like that. Okay, and these national awards were granting to the citizens for their meritorious act. Okay, so for their merit purpose only the national awards will be given. Okay, so this was the judgment which was given in the Balaji Raghavan versus Union of India 1995. Okay, so on the basis of 1995 Balaji case, in 1996 Supreme Court upheld the constitutional validity of national awards. So national awards means Bharat Ratna, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan. So these are the important national awards. So Supreme Court in 1996 upheld the constitutional validity of national awards, and it also said that these important national awards are not comes under the meaning of Article 18. Okay, so these important awards are not violative to the Article 18. Okay, so finally it prohibits only hereditary titles. Okay, not military or academic. So the theory of equality doesn't mandate that merit should not be recognized. So merit should be recognized and they will get importance among the people. Okay, so theory of equality is very important and merits also should be recognized. Okay, so the national awards will be given on the basis of their meritness. Okay, not on the basis of hereditary. So this is the final judgment which was given by the Supreme Court in Balaji Raghavan versus Union of India 1995. Okay.